Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video we will learn how to get direct submission in WordPress from contact us form. One of my friend asked me question and they have set contact us form, but he don't know how to check the submission. If someone going to submit their form, how they can check, how they can store that information direct in the WordPress. So this tutorial, make sure you watch complete video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start the video. For to store customer or client submission direct in WordPress, we have a multiple tools for that or plugins, but I'm going to show you the simple way to get your submission, to check every submission or store information direct in your WordPress or database. This is very simple, guys. So for that, first of all, let me bring you on my desktop here. This is my dashboard. Let me open my WordPress dashboard here. In my dashboard here, we will go to plugin first and click add new plugin. We will use one free plugin. You don't need to pay for that. So in that plugin you will able to check all the submissions right away without worrying, without waiting for the email. You will able to check all the submission in WordPress direct. Okay, so here we will search for contact form. That's all. We have to only search contact form in the plugins. After we search contact form, we have a huge list of forms plugins. So here I will only teach you those plugins which I really love and I personally use those to check all the submissions right away. Okay, for that the best plugins I recommend here is formidable, and here one more I personally use, that one is Fluent Forms. Here I already have that. Okay, so here let me also install now formidable forms. I will also show you how you can check direct submissions in the WordPress also. So here when you scroll down you will find, or you can search here, Fluent Form. Okay, and we already installed this one. Let's activate this plugin as well. So for the Fluent Form, if you want to go with Fluent Form, that's also good, and both of plugins are good. Let me click on add new one. Now I will search for Fluent Form. Only search for Fluent, or you can search Fluent Form. Yeah, we got it here. This one. Okay, contact form plugin by Fluent Forms. Okay, you need to just install and activate this one. Okay, now Fluent Form here, I will go first with Fluent Form, as I personally use here Fluent Form. Okay, we will first go to settings, tools or global settings, to check all the required information or what setting we need first. Okay, here we have nothing more to check, and let's go to global setting. Here's the setting you required, or you want to change, like alignment, color, validations or email summaries. You have all the options in general. Layout, let's go to email summaries, integration. Okay, let's go to security. You can check all these options. If you want to enable the captcha for the form, you can enable that. Okay, managers, even you can assign a role, which person going to check all your submissions, like editor. You want to add manager, you can add a specific person for that who will check all your submissions. If I go to forms here, click on form, I already have created all the forms here. To create new form, in your case you might have no any form here, we will click add new form. We can go with choose template. You can choose template, and you have to check from the categories what type of website you are running, products. You want contact form for the products or survey, marketing, basic. Let's go with the basic one here. We will click on create form. Click on that and our form is ready in one single click. Okay, now our form is ready. Now we will save form and we will copy this Fluent form shortcode here. Okay, I will go to my contact us form. I will edit this page to show you how to display the contact form. You can also search in the Elementor shortcode. That shortcode you need to paste. As I already have, this is my Fluent form shortcode. I use Fluent form for the submissions. Okay, now let me show you the submission. How can I check the submission? If I am going, for example, I'm a client or customer. Let me provide the name. Okay, last name, email. Okay, perfect. And subject, inquiry for my website. Okay, and I will write my message here. This is, for example, my message. I will submit my form. Okay, thank you for your message. We will get it. Okay, now how I check this submission? I will go again to the Fluent forms. I will refresh one time and you will see the option here, entries. Okay, in entries you will able to check all the submission, who sent you the submission, who's the client, even name, and the message you will be able to read right away. And you will also see the status, unread, read. Okay, and which browser they use, the time, how many seconds or minutes before they have submit the form. Okay, as this is very new, 18 seconds ago, I will click on view. As I will able to check the submission here direct in WordPress. As you can see, I am able to check inquiry for my website, what they have written, also yet their message. Okay, what I do now, I want to reply them. Even you can add note for specific client. Okay, I want to change status to unread, trash, or read if you want. And here let's go down and you have option resend email notification for the submission. You can send a notification direct to your email as well. As you can see here, email notification to my admin email. They will also send you the email you use when you create your WordPress website. Email you, let me show you here, settings and reading, I think. Yeah, let's check out general. Yeah, in general, this email, in this email you will get all the notifications. The notification will be something like you got new submission on your WordPress and they already send you here submission log. You will able to see the log, how many times they already remind you. Okay, you can entry action, but this is to check all the submission, and this is a store in your database as well. Okay, now let's go to next plugin here, Formination. Okay, we will go to dashboard. Okay, got it. Okay, now here in Formination, you will also able to see form submissions, how many submissions you have, how many form already stored in your database. Okay, as you can see here, form, this is only I have this form available. If I see this form, or I will go to forms and I will create new form here. Yeah, let's go to create contact us form. I will choose contact us form, continue. I will name it my form and I will click on create. Now we have our form ready to display. What we will do here, we will scroll down and we will click on publish. If you see everything is good, you don't need to add some more field. Like if you want to add another field under the message or phone number, you can click on insert field and choose what type of field you need in your contact form. Just you have to choose. That will be, you will able to make it up down if you want. Then if you done, click publish. It will give you another shortcode here right away. Copy this shortcode and go to your website. Okay, even you're using Elementor, just in Elementor, in there there is an option for shortcode, to find shortcode in the elements left side. Okay, let's go to contact us. Now add it. Now this time I will publish my new formation form, new plugin. Okay, I will delete this Fluent form. Let me save it somewhere on my desktop. Okay, shortcode. Okay, now I have to use this code. Okay, perfect. Now click update. Now this is a formation form plugin. We used a separate plugin, right? We use this time formation form. Okay, as you can see, the layout is also different. Now if I go with this one, same step, provide my email. Okay, and if I phone number and my message. Okay, now click send message. As you can see, submitting. Okay, perfect. Now if I go back to my dashboard WordPress, I refresh my WordPress dashboard, I scroll down to the end, you will see formation, our plugin. Go to dashboard. In the dashboard you will see one active module, and in the form submission, one submission. We just done it. How to check it? Scroll down, or you can click here directly, or you can go to this option, submissions. Go to submissions, and here is our submission form. Okay, choose form, my form, show submission. Okay, perfect. Here is our submission. I want to check the message from the customer or client. Okay, you will able to see all your clients or customer form submissions this way. So I hope you like this video. If you want ask about contact us from anything, you can let me know in comments. I will definitely reply you there. If you enjoying my videos, please hit subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends. I will really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching this video.